Bodyline Adhesion Enhancer. Before starting any work, ensure you're wearing appropriate PPE for the task. This product can be used to improve and speed up the full adhesion rate where necessary, for example on large or heavy mouldings. Load the supplied applicator with Adhesion Enhancer and apply along the length of the required area. Apply the Bodyline double-sided grey acrylic tape and smooth the tape down, applying hand pressure to ensure maximum surface area for adhesion. Use masking tape to position where the trim will be placed. Ensure the tape is flat to the panel. Apply Adhesion Enhancer to the panel surface using the masking tape as a guide. Remove the backing from the tape. Position the trim 1 cm above the surface where it's required, and when lined up, place down and press against the panel.